How do you tune the violin with the pegs? This is a question that I commonly get asked by my students. And one of the first questions I ask them again is, why would you want to tune the violin only with the pegs? Because actually the fine tuners is the easiest way to tune the violin. But sometimes it can happen that your violin does not have any fine tuners, or that your strings are so much out of tune that you cannot use the fine tuners anymore to tune the violin. That is why in this tutorial I will show you how to tune the violin with the pegs. You can tune with the pegs in two ways. Either you can do it with a chromatic tuner, or you can do it by ear. By ear is actually a little bit easier in this case, in my opinion, but we start with the tuner because I also know that to tune by ear you actually need more experience in music and you need to be able to recognize perfect fifths. This is what the distances between the violin strings are called. The first step to take to tune your instrument, no matter if you tune by ear or not, is to make sure that your A string is in tune. You can do so by using a chromatic tuner, placing the violin on your lap and tuning the violin with a tuner. The tuner that I am using is linked below this video. It is a free tuner available on my website. So first of all, start plucking the A string. And you can slowly adjust the A string by just keeping to pluck it, and first move the peg just a tiny bit backwards. It's very important not to move the peg too much. Be very careful, because if you turn the peg even 180 degrees, it goes completely out of tune and maybe your string even goes off. So very small movements. And then first move it backwards and then slowly move it up towards the target pitch. Make sure to not overstretch the string, so it shouldn't go a lot higher than the target pitch, because in that case the string can easily break. As you can see on the tuner, my violin is now very close to the target pitch. What I can do if it is a little bit higher is to pull the string to make sure it gets a little bit lower. And I can see it is still a little bit high. Let's see if I bow. Sometimes it is easier to hear. So maybe I have to place it a little bit lower again. And this is really a bit of an annoying process with the pegs. It is a lot easier if you're using the fine tuners. And fine tuners are very cheap. You can buy them and put them on the violin yourself. So, still a bit lower again. Another thing that you can also do is to use the tuning notes below my tuner on the website, and then you can make them sound, and that is a lot easier because you hear actually the tune. If it is very close, put the string, put the tuner back into the spec box. And what is actually important when doing this, let's see if the H string is meanwhile in tune. Still a little bit high, let's pull it a little bit. Okay, so now it's actually good. Another thing which is important to realize is when you're tuning your strings, is that when you are turning the pegs, you really have to keep pushing into the peg box. So this is the peg box over here. And if you turn, you shouldn't only turn, but also just slightly push into the peg box. Otherwise it might happen that your pegs are unwinding again. Normally we use the pegs only to make the string come very close to the target pitch, and then you use the fine tuners for the fine adjustments. That is why they are called the fine tuners. I also let you know in the beginning of the video that actually a little easier way to tune the violin than with the pegs is to do it by ear. And in order to tune a violin by ear, the first thing you need to learn is to recognize perfect fifths. A perfect fifth is when there's exactly 5 notes between 2 tones. An easy way to learn how much the distance is between a perfect fifth is to imagine the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. That starts like this. Twinkle, twinkle. That is exactly a perfect fifth. So on the moment that you are playing on the A string, for instance, twinkle, twinkle, and the E should be the second one. And as you see, that is correct. All the other strings should also have a perfect fit between them. For instance, twinkle, twinkle. So that is the first thing you need to know. You need to recognize if you are playing a perfect fifth or if your strings are tuned close to a perfect fifth. If they are very close to a perfect fifth, this is what you can do. You play 2 strings at the same time. You lower the peg slightly. You will hear that it doesn't sound very good. And then you slowly move it upwards until the fifth sounds most beautiful. And what I mean with most beautiful is now it doesn't sound very nice, it sounds a bit dissonant. Can you hear that? If it sounds very beautiful, it's like the string opens up. You hear a lot of overtones coming in. And let's try to tune the strings and let's see if you can see that difference. So first, this is out of tune. And please try to listen to the video now and try to think for yourself, when does it sound in tune? I will just slowly go up and you have to say stop in your own head and see if I actually stop at this time. So now it sounds in tune. And what you can hear is that you hear a lot of overtones. So let's do it again, out of tune. Now in tune. Out of tune. Too low. In tune, now too high. If the string is not in tune, it almost sounds like in my ears that the string is doing this. It sounds very, very not nice. Can you hear that? Okay, now in tune. To me this sounds very open and very pleasant to the ear. And the more you play the violin and the more you try this, the more you start to recognize this perfect fifth and the easier it gets to actually hear if your violin is in tune or not. So this is something you really have to do with trial and error. You can either do it like this, like I was just doing it and just turning the peg and pushing it inwards while bowing, but that can actually be a little bit harder. You can also start with just putting the violin on your lap and then tuning in that way. So let's tune the G string in that way. So this is how to tune the violin with the pegs. There's really 2 ways. First of all, you can use a chromatic tuner. Place the violin in your lap and keep plucking with your right hand, slowly turning and pushing in the peg with your left hand. And the other way is to do it by ear, by recognizing the perfect fifths. If this way of tuning the violin is very difficult for you, I recommend to get fine tuners. You can easily attach fine tuners on your own violin. They cost like $10 or something like that. And they are very, very easy to use, a lot easier than the pegs. So I recommend to any beginner to invest in these fine tuners. And if you want to learn how to tune with the fine tuners as well, I created another video which is called How to Tune a Violin for Beginners. That is the right video for you if you also have fine tuners. If you enjoyed my tuner and this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please bookmark your tuner in your favorites to make sure that you can always refer back to it if you want to tune your violin. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more violin tutorials. I upload a weekly violin lesson and we are studying the violin together to make sure that you are getting better every single week.